We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the Zitahli Ratchet Belt for men. This belt has received overwhelmingly positive feedback, with a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 from over 7,300 ratings, reflecting widespread satisfaction. The Zitahli Ratchet Belt is designed with premium leather that measures 1 3/8 inches in width and features an automatic buckle with a ratchet mechanism that allows for easier and more precise adjustment compared to traditional belts. The belt is marketed by the Zitahli store and has become a popular choice for men looking for a blend of style, comfort, and functionality. Users consistently praise the premium leather quality, describing it as sturdy, soft, and thick, which gives the belt a high-end look and feel. Many appreciate that the leather maintains its shape and appearance even after extended use, which speaks to the durability of the materials used. The belt's design is sleek and modern, making it versatile enough to be worn with both casual and dressier outfits. The craftsmanship is often highlighted as impressive, especially considering the belt's affordable price point. One of the standout features that users love is the ratchet buckle system. Unlike traditional belts that rely on punched holes spaced about an inch apart, the Zitahli belt uses a ratchet mechanism with about 38 micro-adjustable clicks over a 9-inch range. This allows for a much more precise and comfortable fit, as wearers can adjust the belt in small increments to suit their waist size perfectly. The ratchet system also eliminates the common issue of holes wearing out over time, which is a frequent problem with conventional belts. Users find the buckle easy to operate with a simple release lever that allows for quick removal of the belt. The belt also features a clever hidden tail design, where any excess length is tucked neatly behind the main belt strap. This prevents the loose end from flapping around, which is a common annoyance with many traditional belts. This design element contributes to a cleaner and more polished look. Adjustability is another key benefit frequently mentioned. The belt can be cut to size by trimming the end that attaches to the buckle, allowing it to fit a wide range of waist sizes. Customers appreciate the included cutting guide that makes this process straightforward. However, it is recommended to leave a bit of extra length initially, as once cut, the belt cannot be lengthened again. This ensures users have some flexibility if their waist size changes. In terms of usability, the belt is comfortable to wear throughout the day. The ratchet system allows for quick adjustments, which is especially useful after meals or during activities that cause slight waist size fluctuations. The buckle mechanism is smooth and secure, holding the belt firmly in place without loosening during movement. Some users note that it may take a little practice to get used to the release lever, but once accustomed, it becomes second nature. The belt is also praised for its packaging, arriving in a premium-looking box that makes it suitable as a gift. The overall presentation adds to the perceived value of the product. While the majority of feedback is positive, a few users have pointed out minor drawbacks. Some mention that the belt material, while high quality, is thicker than some traditional belts, which may require adjustment when pairing with certain pants. A small number of users have experienced the buckle loosening slightly with vigorous movement, though this appears to be rare. Additionally, the warranty process is not very clear or easy to access, which could be improved by the manufacturer. The Zitahli Ratchet Belt is available in multiple colors and buckle styles, allowing customers to choose according to their personal style preferences. This variety enhances its appeal as a versatile wardrobe staple. Overall, the Zitahli Ratchet Belt for men is highly recommended for those seeking a durable, stylish, and highly adjustable belt. Its ratchet mechanism offers superior comfort and fit compared to traditional belts, and the premium leather ensures a sophisticated look suitable for various occasions. The belt represents excellent value for money, combining quality materials, innovative design, and user-friendly features. If you own this belt, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and help you find this great belt easily.